Hello, welcome to Spanish 12. Here's the main page for Spanish 12. If you scroll down, you'll find the course plan. You can click into each of these sections to learn a little bit more. So it explains in detail what the hand-in activities are, what the modules are, evaluation, etc., etc. So in brief, there are 4 modules for Spanish 12. There is a test at the end of every module. The first 3 need to be done under the supervision of someone at SAIL, unless you're in a distant learning block. And the last exam, the final exam, you can do on your own, and that one is not password protected. So if we scroll down to Module 1, in Module 1, in all the modules, there are self-marking activities that are not worth marks, but are worth doing to help you with the course. So if we click into one of these here, self-marking activity, alright, so here we are in the self-marking activity. Whoopsies. So after you do these, the answers are all provided on the bottom for you. It gives you words to look out for. For example, here, the preterite versus the imperfect tense. Preterite being a past tense that is an action that begins and ends in the past, whereas imperfect tense also happens in the past, but is more of an ongoing action. Alright, so you can read more about that here, and it gives you a bunch of examples to look over. So students ask if the self-marking activities are worth marks. The answer is no, they are not worth marks. You don't have to do them, but the more you do, the more effort you put in with the self-marking activities, the easier you will find the activities and at the exam at the end of the module. So if we scroll down here, just before the Module 1 test is the section review. The section review is very helpful for preparing you for the test. It has 3 parts: the overview, review, and answer key. So the overview is kind of like a chapter checkup, and it tells you the layout of the test. The test will be structured very similarly to this. So it reviews the vocab that you need to know, listing the page number so you can look back in your textbook. It goes over the verb conjugations that you need to remember. And it tells you a little bit about what the paragraph you'll be writing is on for the test. So the review, it's worth it to print out the review and do it as a practice pre-test for yourself. So just scroll down. Your module test is a combination of multiple choice and written and listening activities. Alright, so once you're done the review, you can mark it yourself with the answer key. Okay, it has all the answers in bold. So how the marking works for Spanish 12 is there's 5% from your substantive assignment, and 45% of your final mark is based on your assignments, and 50% of your total mark is based on your oral evaluations and your module tests, okay, for a total of 100%. If you need any assistance with the course, don't hesitate to contact your instructors. Their office hours and email information is all on the front page, okay? Sometimes this does change, so it's important that you check the front page for messages. All right, good luck with Spanish 12.